Imagine waking up in London, sipping tea at the same cafe where Nobel winners chatted once. Your weekends aren't spent in the library, but exploring the Scottish Highlands, hiking through the Lake District, or catching live music in Manchester. Want all this to be yours? Then this video is the ultimate guide for you, because today we'll talk about UCAS deadlines, application process, key dates, and essential steps to secure your spot in a UK university. From course selection to personal statements, हम कवर करेंगे सब कुछ जो आपको सक्सेसफुल एप्लीकेशन के लिए चाहिए. For more detailed information, you can refer to the UCAS link given in the description of this video. Now, do you know Indian students are making waves in UK universities like never before? According to UCAS, India is now the second largest source of international students in the UK. And we are growing fast. In 2023, 12,910 Indian students applied, which is a 9% jump. And by 31st December 2024, 8,770 students had already applied for the 2025 intake. But here is the real shocker. UCAS predicts over 40,000 Indian applicants by 2030. That means competition is heating up. Will you be among the next wave of Indian students applying to the top UK universities? Also, do you know the deadline for UCAS UG application is 15 October? Yes, just 3 months from today. क्या हुआ? डर गए क्या?
बहन डर गई.
Well, don't worry, because why worrying when World edX is here? Contact us now on the given details in the screen and our team will connect you for personal guidance. And with that thought, let's get back to the video. Firstly, let's talk about all the important dates that you need to keep in mind for 2026 intake. The applications for UG courses have already opened on May 13, 2025 for regular courses. And for conservative courses, it has been opened on July 10, 2025. Which is ending on September 2 for regular courses and on October 2 for arts courses. And October 15, 2025 is the final deadline for medicine, dentistry, vet, and for the University of Oxford and Cambridge. January 14, 2026 is the equal consideration deadline for most UG courses, which means course provider will consider all applications received by this time equally. And now comes a very important date, which is going to be a game changer for all those students who have used all their choices and are still not holding any offers. When don't worry, UCAS Extra opens on February 26, 2026 and will continue till July 4. To help all these students add extra choice in their applications. June 30, 2026 is going to be the last date for most regular courses. And now coming to a very important point, that is UCAS clearing. Is for those students who didn't receive any offer, didn't meet the conditions of their offer, or who applied after the deadline. UCAS क्लियरिंग एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो स्टूडेंट्स को इनेबल करता है टू अप्लाई टू ऑल द यूनिवर्सिटीज दैट आर स्टिल लेफ्ट आफ्टर द डेडलाइन, दैट इज आफ्टर June 30. UCAS clearing will start on July 5, 2026 and will officially end on October 19, 2026. If you are someone who badly wants to study in UK, then screenshot this timeline and set reminders in your phone. अब बात करते हैं प्रोसेस की फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू फिनिश. स्टेप 1 is to register on UCAS Hub. Research your courses, check entry criteria and add up to 5 choices. Maximum. Step 2 is personal statement. 4,000 characters में explain करो अपने passions, goals and why you are a fit. और हाँ, AI का ज़्यादा यूज़ मत करना. Please give words to your own thoughts. That makes it more relatable. Step 3 is reference. Usually from your school or college teacher, but independent applicants can also get it from professionals. Step 4 is paying your seat. अभी के लिए 28.95 euros if applying for up to 5 courses. Now step 5 is submission on or before 2nd September. Before deadlines depending on your course type. अब थोड़े extra tips. Deadlines follow करो is tricky. October 15 is UCAS D-Day for Oxbridge, which is basically Oxford and Cambridge. Apply now or you would have to wait another year. References ready karo before submission date. Payment glitches can also happen, so avoid any last minute transaction. Keep your passport and English test results handy because you will need it soon after your conditional offer. Now comment below which 5 courses are you applying to, and share this video with your school classmates or study group because everyone should know these dates. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share button and subscribe to the channel. और हाँ, बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलना. और कमेंट करो अगर आप किसी स्पेसिफिक कोर्स की डेडलाइंस या एप्लीकेशन टिप्स चाहते हो. And all the best for your UK journey.